Very recently I found myself making my way through Southern Cross train station. And as I have multiple sclerosis and also some autism and sensory issues, I decided to enlist the help of Traveller's Aid. One of the services they offer for free is if you book ahead of time, they can take you across to your platform on this little electric trolley. Now, something that people seem to have forgotten about. Southern Cross Station, also known as Spencer Street Station, before the roof was over it, used to actually allow pedestrians to access the other platforms by walking through tunnels underneath the tracks. Those tunnels are still there. They're just used for service equipment now. And I decided I wanted to have a look into and see if we could get in there again. So these guys fortunately did agree to take me through. Albeit I had a slightly valid reason, but I thought I'd post a video here. They gratefully allowed me to run the GoPro as well. Now coming up here, we're coming along platform 1, or no, this is platform 8 I think. Or 8A, or no, this is platform 1, the very start of platform 1. It's a little confusing because I dropped off getting here on the north end of platform 1, which seems like a totally different place until you walk down the platform a fair way. There's lots of things going on. Now this previously would have been an entrance to one of the tunnels. They were arranged a little bit differently. They went in a different direction. Now they've got a nice gentle slope into them. They used to have stairs, I believe. Now there is also a secondary door down here. All of this stuff is RFID controlled for security. These doors should open in, and you give it a little toot toot to warn other people that might be in there. You'll notice that little van right there. That is what restocks a lot of the vending machines. And now along here you'll start to see some old looking tiles, and that's remnants of some of the tiling and decor that used to be down there. I can point that out when you come past it. There's some of it off the 5 and 6 platform entrance there, and some of the original columns off to the left will be visible as it comes down this next bit to the later platforms. I think it's 16 and 17. There's one there, but here's more prominent examples right here, and these ones here. This is what this whole area used to be tiled in, was like these beige white tiles like that all the way through, and actually it's very spectacular. That's how I remember this station, and I'm having trouble with the fact that there is so much change going on. But yes, once upon a time you could walk without having to go through escalators and pop up at any platform you wanted. I think some of the reason they changed this is they wanted better access controls. And a lot of these services that are down here were always down here. They were just covered up behind walls that they've since removed. But there is a lot more new stuff in there. I noticed fibre optic cables and Cat6 and all sorts of other stuff running in there that I don't think was really a done thing 25 years ago. But here we go, up on platform 15A, which is where my train is going from.